What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're well. We're going to go over Matic as well as Ethereum. We're currently sitting at 73 cents. We're up 3%, 3.3 on the day. Seeing market cap 7.02 billion, 24-hour volume 378 million. So if we hop into the charts, what I'm looking at now with the deepness of this correction is that we're already completing the ABC. Now this could be the wave 3. We push up in a wave 4. We see one more low. But if we start to push up and we break this resistance of 0.806, then I think the wave C would already be complete. You're going to follow this red arrow and you'd see a straight breakout to the upside, start to push up in a wave 3. I'll give you a target for that if we were to break out from here. Let's see if it's 169. Trend base of extension from the bottom of the wave 1 to the top. Bottom of the wave 2. Yeah, it lines up pretty close. The 1.618 target would be about $1.65. $1.66 for that wave 3. So it could be a trade opportunity with a stop loss below this low here at 50 cents and ride it up. We're currently in 4 trades right now. We're in a trade for XRP. I have 3 Gala trades posted. We're in a trade for VeChain. You can receive free access to my trade signals at the end of the video. So we talked about this head and shoulders. I talked about us not reaching, coming all the way down to the technical target. I said I don't think that's likely. We're sitting on the golden ratio, which is normal for a wave 2. You can come down to the 78.6, but it would make sense to see a bounce relatively soon. We're close towards oversold. We haven't quite made it yet, so we can still create one more low before bouncing. But I do think a bounce is relatively close. We're holding the 200-day moving average, this red line here. ETH. I adjusted the count. All these things are updated in the Discord on a daily basis. So what I'm looking at is we pushed up in a wave 3 and then complex correction WXYXZ. If you've never heard of that before in your entire life, just Google it, WXYXZ correction. And then completing the ABC of the wave Z. Within the wave C are 5 waves, so you could look at 1, 2, 3, 4, one more low and a 5 before bouncing. But these micro counts can be inaccurate, so if we just start to push up, especially if we break this resistance here of about 2398, then you could just see a straight breakout up in the wave 5 for Ethereum. I do think we'll push up and create a higher high. That's what I'm looking at. If we can break 80 cents for Matic 0.806, then I think you could get a straight breakout. But if we just roll over or create one more low, then look for a bounce off about 63 cents before pushing up in that big juicy wave 3 to $1.66. If you want completely free access to my trade signals, all you have to do is sign up to Bitfinex. No KYC, no VPN, all around the world, including for my US and Canadian traders looking for an exchange. Make your first deposit, send me an email, I'll give you completely free access to my VIP rooms, which include my daily crypto analysis, my exact crypto trade setups. We're in many trades right now. Crypto news, member profits, Forex signals, Forex analysis, trade crypto, trade Forex, all in one place, Mahado all place. If you want direct access, it's $10 a month. Otherwise, sign up to Bitfinex, make that first deposit, send me an email, and I'll give you free access for life. Smash up that like button, subscribe if you're new. See you in the next video. Much love. Take care.